Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm very excited to have this with me. This is the Mint instant camera, but this is no other cameras. This is the new TL70 Plus. So let's see what's inside the box. So it's not even open yet, so let's open it together. Let's put it aside. There we go. So we have a letter from Mint. In a nutshell, TL70 Plus is a twin lens instant camera that uses Instax squares this time. Okay, so it's an upgrade version of the TL70, the original 70, with manual controls and improved lenses. Put it aside. Over here, and here we have it. Oh, nice extra leather, a very nice leather strap made in Japan. We'll open that as well. Okay, the nice packing as well. So we got the lens set because this is an ultimate package. So we have, as usual, the 70 plus lens set. So we got all the ND filters over here. We got ND8, 4, 2, and the close-up. Well, I'm very excited with the close-up lenses because that's a very good one to take a close shot of those flowers or sakura right now in Japan. Cool. So we got 2 extra boxes of Instax square film. And there you go. Nice message from them. Enjoy shooting. Find us anytime. So Mint have an excellent CS service. So yeah, very nice. Very nice. So Mint TL70 Plus. Very nice. So nice. So every TL70 Plus comes with a 5-year warranty. So just PM them or just message them through Facebook, IG, or email to just contact them for any problems. But I guess there won't be any problem. Okay, so we need to open this as well. There you go. Just gonna tear this open. Come on. There you go. Oh my god. This is actually way bigger. Not actually way bigger, but just a little bit bigger. A little bit thicker, I should say, than the normal TL70. Since it's a Instax square format, so it makes sense. Very nice. I think it's even better than the original 70, like my opinions. And there we go. We have the viewfinder. Let's take this apart. Sure. Oh my god, it looks so nice. It looks even clearer than the original 70 viewfinder. It's amazing. So we got the distance. We got the focusing over here. We have the EV. We got the manual control of the shutter speed as well. So we got A, auto, A-1, A+1. So I guess is the exposure. We got off, 500, 250, 125, 60, 30, 15841B and T. Very nice. Here's the boxes of the cartridge that we should put in later. So it takes only Instax square form. Okay. And also there's a magnifier for more precise focusing. I don't know if you can see this or not, but it looks really good with your eyes. Really good, I would say. And the lens is also a glass lens with 70 mm and 5.6 aperture. And this time you can put a soft release on it. And one thing we have to mention about is that it takes battery, so it's not a full manual camera, but let's see what kind of battery it takes. Okay, let's see. Okay, there's the okay, so let's put it aside. Ah, it's already have batteries in there. 2A batteries. Two 2A batteries. Good. So there you go. Auto. And could you see the green light, which means it's already in the correct exposure. So it also have the small monitor as well at the side. Ah, very nice. We don't have it at the previous generation. So auto f22. Ah, very nice. Okay, so let's take some shots. So today we are here at Yoyogi Park with my Instax TL70 Plus. So with my ND filter on as well. So let's go take some photos. So we're here at the Imperial Palace in Japan, Tokyo. I've been using this camera for the whole day. It's a great lightweight camera that you could carry around all day long. So I'll be showing you some photos afterward as well. Pretty sharp, nice bokeh as well. Easy to use, though not a sunny day today. But then I just tuned my camera into auto, and yeah, that's it. So thank you very much for still watching this video. Subscribe, comment, like, to more videos of my daily vlog or even riding vlog in the future. Thank you very much. I'm Tern. See you. Bye bye.